Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta to Asana for secure authentication step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin dashboard. Locate the Applications menu on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Applications section, select Add Application. Use the search bar to find Asana. Click on the Asana application from the search results. Next, click on the Add button to start the integration process. You will be prompted to configure the application settings. Fill in the necessary fields, such as name and description, for easy identification. Ensure the platform type is set to web. Scroll down and locate the sign-in settings. Provide the redirect URL provided by Asana in your application settings. Next, move to the Group Assignment section. Here, assign the appropriate groups that need access to Asana. Click on Done to finalize the application setup. Now, head over to the Asana website and log into your account. In Asana, navigate to the Admin Console. Locate that Apps section within the Admin Console. Find and click on Add Custom SSO. Once there, input the necessary details from your Okta application settings. Make sure to include the SSO URL and audience URI from Okta. Save the settings to complete the integration. Now, return to your Okta admin dashboard. Select the Asana application you added earlier. In the application settings, click on Sign On to configure the sign-on policy. Review and adjust the sign-on policies according to your organization's security requirements. Once everything looks good, save the changes. Test the connection by attempting to log into Asana using Okta credentials. If successful, the integration is complete. If you encounter issues, revisit both Okta and Asana settings for any discrepancies. Make sure all fields are populated correctly in both platforms. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Okta to Asana for secure authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.